Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Thank you for tuning in and a happy new year. So, as you can see, I got this wig. Well, it's a headband wig and I got it from AliExpress. It's not made the best. It's really not the best like how they made it, but the hair is really soft and I absolutely loving the hair. Now for the wig parts, like if you pull it, it comes right off. The only combs I use are the combs in the back because um yeah, it makes it secure in the back, and the front three combs I do not use ever. But I think I'm gonna cut them out because they kind of pull and tug on my hair even if it's not like open or anything. So I'm not sure about that as yet. So as you can see, I'm putting this on. Listen, I fought with this wig. So before, I would usually just take the wig, put it on my head, and that's it, and go about my day. So being the 31st of December, I decided, you know what, I'm gonna follow the girlies and I'm going to try and curl this hair. So that is exactly what I did, and you guys are gonna see it looks so good. It came out so bomb and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. So enjoy the video and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
Hold the fucking phone. Do you guys see how I look? Like I tried lashes for the very first time. And that's what I'm trying to show you. It's not the best, but hey, it is what it is. I think it came out. It's not the best, like I said, but it came out a little bit cute. So, yeah.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.